The conceptual framework is the main element, and each arrow is one hypothesis. And hypothesis needs to serve or needs to help us to answer the main research question, overarching research question. We mentioned that one earlier. And what we are going to do is testing hypotheses, whether they are confirmed or not. Then we are going to answer the research question, main research question. And so each model needs to be checked. Okay, so this is what we are going to do today by using the previous year's papers. Okay. Let's come back to Sophie's one. Sophie's model is that one, okay? And as you can see, H1, H2, H3, H4, all of the hypotheses that are shown. So I think it is easy for you to show in your conceptual framework because you have already in your hand. You need to divide them and you need to put that arrow and name it, okay? It shouldn't be trouble. And okay, these are the hypotheses. I repeated that one because I don't want to repeat. Last week we mentioned about Sophie's backpackers' behavior intention about selecting destination. Okay, they are their travel selection. Okay, this is and modal fitness is about that conceptual model is fit or not. Okay, this is not same way with the explanatory factor analysis fitness. That more or less is numbers are similar, but kind of like you need to report this one as a model fitness or not. Okay, the explanatory factor analysis has good fitness as well, but this is not representing this one. Okay, it's different things. So this is you need to get that report under the confirmatory factor analysis, or I'm gonna replay change that one SCM. Okay, structural equation model. These models are not invented by us. Statisticians are inventing that one by using social science. And they are in the software, Jamovi software there. I mean, it is ready pack. You don't need to learn. So you just need to go and click and open that model. Okay. So I think I copied that one last week because I didn't want to share whole Sophie's data. Okay, copy. I opened that one now. Remember, one more time, explanatory factors that are here, and SEM, structural equation model, is here. Okay, when you click that one, this menu comes up on the left, and you need to pick and you need to drag and drop all the elements. Okay, so don't forget, this needs to be corporate or consistent. It consists with this SEM needs to be consistent with your explanatory factor analysis. If you drop any questionnaire, any question from here, you shouldn't include them. Okay, so that's why it is important. What you need to bring here, exogenous or endogenous variable, you need to put here what you analyze in the EFA. Okay, EFA means explanatory factor analysis. Okay, I think we practiced that one last week in the second. This is pad model. Okay, here we go. It seems not we didn't practice. Maybe this is another document. Let me open that one as well. Because this document I share with you through the chat. And this is the one, I think, the original structural equation model. Okay. As you can see, endogenous variable here. Okay, let's go back again. When you click that one, you need to define which one is the aim of or dependent variable. Intention. Okay, let's make it BI. Okay, then put here the questions 4 and 6, and this is defining behavioral intention on the left. Okay, So one by one, this is the dependent variable. SCM, social media influencers, are um, independent. Okay, kind of, you need to put them here. Okay, S or influencer marketing. These are okay. Then let's go back to check explanatory factor analysis. What we had there, 3, 4, 5. Put here 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the influencer marketing. Then next one, you need to add here word of mouth. Then word of mouth 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put that one down here. Authenticity 4, 5, 6. Add authenticity. Okay, let's put that one AU. 4, 5, 6. They are here. Now model needs to be working, but you know it is at the top at the bottom of this screen. Okay, we need to go back. Okay. Can you see here? This is the report coming up here. So if I remove any of them, this is gonna start the spin again, and it is updating itself. Okay. So what we have here is a fit indices are here. Okay, given these two tables are about fitness indices. So what they are Ramsey, unity report. They are CFI, unity report. TLI, maybe Agvi. Okay, Agvi is not here because this software doesn't report. CFI, TLI, and Ramsey report. This is a classic one you need to use. Okay, this one. And you need to report them. Okay, that's all. So one paragraph, you need to show whether model is fit or not. Okay. And so this is what you are going to do. Okay. Yeah, it's okay, George. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. Okay. So you need to pick these statistics from here. Okay, these tables. These tables. If they are so bad, let's say this Ramsey is so bad, who's going to decide? Obviously, there are some thresholds. Remember, last week I mentioned in the explanatory factor analysis. Let's go back now, that document. It was, I think, here. Is it open? Oh, this is the same one. Oh, sorry. This is the same one, factor loading. Factor line. These thresholds, okay? These thresholds are still valid, okay? So please use this threshold in fitness, okay? So what this says, this threshold for Ramsey, this is root mean square error of approximation. If it is less than 0.5, it's close fit. If it is between 5 and 6, it's reasonable fit. So you need to make a paragraph by evaluating this threshold by using and with word. Okay, you need to say good fit, or maybe this is the Sophie's one. Sophie used this way. Okay, if we go and check, for example, Jamie's one, Jamie used that way. The different, everyone has got their own way. Okay, Renzo did that way. Okay, and Yuxin Ooh, I didn't put here. Okay, I put a question mark. Okay, sorry for that one. So everyone doing their own way. So one of the things is chi-square, maybe extra knowledge, because chi-square is this one, CMIN, um, divided with different, the degree of freedom. So all my students reported that one as well. And if it is less than 2 is excellent. If it is 2 and 3 is acceptable. If it is bigger than 3 is poor, okay, poor fitness. So you need to report that. So similar way, you can use this criteria in your model, conceptual model working or not. What does it mean? So, for example, if you say organizational compassion increasing the engagement, and if we consider considerate leadership and autocratic leadership inside, so this model itself, all of them is working well, and it is meaningful. And it is, I think, kind of contribution to literature. And you are showing that conceptual framework is working. Okay. Now, one more step I need to take here because it takes a little bit like sometimes this process is iterative sometimes because that ideal values not yielded by your data because this statistical program bring the output on the base of your data. Okay, it means your data has got some problem. Okay, not the statistics. So what you need to do is okay, I'm going to maximize that one. You may need to make some okay, let's make it nice a little bit path before going to improve before improving that poor fitness things. So I just want to show you see you can literally copy paste this screenshot. Okay, yeah, and this is almost we are at the end of your analysis, and we almost reach now. As soon as you show model fit, you can jump to answer hypothesis. What does it mean, answer hypothesis? Accepting hypothesis or rejecting hypothesis. It means you can accept or reject. Okay, then you can start to, okay, you reach and you finalize your data analysis chapter now. Okay, if model doesn't fit, and by the way, the testing hypotheses are here. Okay, this section. This section is hypothesis testing. And please don't panic because I think I have another Word document which I'm gonna share with you. Hypothesis testing. Spinning. I show where you are gonna use hypothesis. I illustrated them like one by one, okay? So variance and covariance table in the SEM analysis is your results. Okay, so this is what you are gonna do. So we reach your data analysis now. Okay, this is your data analysis. Yeah, I mean hypothesis. Sorry, hypothesis. Let's say because we come here from this poor fitnesses. Okay, poor fitnesses. How we can improve them? Okay, let's say this is, even though all of them, I'm happy with all of them actually here, 067, 067 here between reasonable fit, okay. Then CFI 979, 979, yeah, it is excellent fit. All of them, it seems okay. So it seems well, okay. Another one is this one, CMI differentiation. I'm going to use the calculator. Okay. What was that one? It's 82.2 user model. Okay, 82.2 divide 40. It means 1.7. So really good, excellent fit. All of them is okay. So for Sophie's project, I think she made a good job, and because I didn't, I wasn't, I wasn't with her when she was doing research, collecting data. But I think she collect genuine data and genuine questionnaire, and she reached a good outcome. Okay, let's say one of them is poor, or let's make this one is a little bit good, better. Okay, how we are gonna do? This is the like part of this, this week tutorial, and so what you need to put here, output options here on the output options, and modification indices. As you can see, when I click something, it keeps spinning. Okay, when I unclick, it's gonna spin again. Click back again, spin again. Okay. So something BI and MIM4 has got something really big problem here, and we may need to covariate them. What does it mean, covariate? Is in this graph you can see that arch are the covariates. These are regression. Okay, means kind of correlation, uh, correlation of the correlations. Okay, this is this arches. Um, Maybe I shouldn't say that way, but it is not exactly correlation, but it is similar to correlation. Okay, covariance. And this is a regression with the two things, and it is, if you put some two variable, definitely they will regress with each other because no other option. Okay, but if you add one, two, three, four elements in your research, then it makes you need to create a outcome by showing whether that model is working or not. Also, this covariance and correlations are included as well. So if we are picking this high scores, okay, high scores, covariance. Okay, how we are going to do them? Then you click here, variance and covariance, BI and IM4. We need to click them together with CTRL. Okay. Then can you see IM4 and BI covariate each other? Okay. So model modification indices didn't yield anymore because it seems this is not the correct place. Okay, let me put them back. Okay, let me find correct place. Okay, maybe because of this one. Strange. I couldn't find that place. This is not the one. Seems. Maybe it's gonna work. Covariance. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, observed covariance. You need to click observed covariance and see that one. It was a big table. I'm puzzled now. Um, okay. I think I will let you know where it is exactly now. I couldn't find the place. Um, was it in a factor loading? Modification indices?